Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Flow Scenarios. So in this series we are going to see next scenario, that is creating a screen flow that capture case details and create a new case. So this example we are going to do by using the screen flow template. So here we are going to take some short of information. We are not going to create a case with all the fields what Salesforce had provided in the case creation, and we are taking the flow name as screen flow case info. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the details like username and password. Hit the login button. So before creating the flow, let's see case object. So search for service, and here in service just open the case object. So in the service we are able to see cases. So click on cases. Again click on new. So here new case, case information. So here is the case owner, then case number it is going to display, contact name, account name, type is of pick list type, then case reason, what is the reason of that particular case, then status, is it new, working or escalated, priority, high, medium or low, and case origin like phone or email or web or other. Then web information like web email, web name, web company, web phone, additional information, product, potential liability, engineering request number, SLA violation, description information, subject, then description, then internal comments. So if I am clicking on a save button, so here we are seeing that case origin is the mandatory field to create any new case. So this case origin we are going to take in our screen flow as well. So in order to create a flow, we need to click on setup, choose setup. Then in the quick find, we need to search for flows. Under process automation, there is flows. Right click, open link in new tab. So here it is opening. So this is flow setup, and here flow definition, all flows we are able to see here. Also some of the flows we had created, and some are given by Salesforce itself. So at the right side we are seeing a new flow. Just hit this new flow. So it is opening the flow builder. New flow, start from scratch or use a template. I am going with default, start from scratch. Click next, select type. So here we are doing this scenario by using the screen flow. So let's go with this. Click create. So here we are getting this setup. So there is two forms like auto layout and free form. By any one of them we can go. So for now I am going with auto layout, and here there is a add element plus symbol. So let's click on this. So first we need to choose a screen. So let's select the screen. Here new screen is there, and at the left hand side we are seeing the components. So there are 53 components for input, and if I am scrolling down there is 3 components for display, and here is field. for creating record variables, we can create from here new resource. Then this middle part is for designing our screen. So we need to drag these components in the middle part of header and footer. So this is header for the screen flow and this is footer. This middle part we are using for designing our screen flow, and at the right hand side we are seeing the screen properties. So here I am putting the screen name, capture, case details, hit the tab button, so API name is taking by default. Then here I need to drag the component text for case subject. So this text box I am using for case subject. Also I am making it required. Then I am using this long text area for case description. So here I am providing the label case description. Next I am going with case origin. So this will be pick list type. So I need to drag and drop this pick list. Here I am providing the name case origin and making it required. So data type is text, and here choice, creating new choice resource. So resource type is pick list choice set, and here I am providing the API name like case origin. Object is case, so choose case. Data type is pick list. Field is case origin. And here I am going with default order. Click done. So what the information we are collecting from the new case, case subject, case description and case origin. So case subject and case origin is mandatory one, and we can avoid case description. So click done. So this screen is ready. Then we are going to create records. So for this I need to select in the data create records. So click on this. So here I am taking the label like create case, and then how to set record field values. So here I am going with manually create a record of this object. So for which case, select this, set field values for case. So here subject, so subject is what we had taken in our screen like case subject, so this one. Next is description. So for description our screen name is case description, then case origin, so this one, and we had created case origin pick list values. So it's done. Also I am going to display this case subject and case origin on the next screen after creating the case. So let's add a screen. So screen. So here I am providing the label case details, and here from the component display text, here I am going to put, and here I am going to provide the name display case details. We can't provide this like space is not allowed here, so putting the underscore. Then here in the display area I am just going to put new case has been created with following details. New case with following. So new case has been created with following details, making it bold. And next I am going to display case subject and case origin. And from the insert a resource I am providing the case subject and case origin. So it's done. Click done. So here we have taken a screen for capturing the case details, then here creating the case record, then here displaying case subject and case origin after creating the case. So let's save this. Here we have to provide the flow name. So screen flow case info. Save this. So flow builder, a screen flow case info is our flow name, and it is version 1. Last saved, this is the date and time. For now it is inactive, and here run debug save as new version and activate. These buttons are enabled and save is disabled as we had saved this flow. So let's debug this flow. So click on debug. Then I am clicking on run. So here at the right side we are seeing debug details, how the interview started. So Salesforce Network username and flow interview. API version for running the flow is 62 and transition committed. Here screen flow case info, this is our flow name, then case subject, case description and case origin. So case subject and case origin is mandatory fields. So let's provide the details. So here I am providing the case subject, computer, desktop, issue. Desktop is not turning on. Case origin is what? So we are seeing all the values what we were seeing in the standard one. So let's take like web, click on next. So here we are getting a message, new case has been created with following details. Case subject is computer desktop issue and case origin is web. So click finish. Here we are seeing the screen is capture case details, and here it is capturing the case subject like computer desktop issue, then description, then case origin, then next button we had clicked create records. So here case details is there, description, case origin, case subject, and result is a record is ready to be created when the next screen pause or local action is executed or when the interview finishes. So here case has been created, transition committed. So a screen again we are displaying the information like case subject and case origin. Again we had clicked the next button and it's completed. So this is the record ID what new case has been created. So let's come back to our screen on case. So let's open any case. So here I am opening a case and replacing the case ID here, and if I am clicking, so here in the case details, case owner, then case number is created, status is new, priority is medium, so it is taken by default. Case origin we had provided web, and date and time today's it's captured. So subject we had provided computer desktop issue, and description desktop is not turning on. Also the screen what we had created that we can put on any lightning page. So in our previous session we had created a flow lightning page. So let's search for that. So flow lightning page. So this one, right click, open link in new tab, flow lightning page. This lightning page we had created in the previous session, and also we had put a screen flow for lead information. So here we are capturing the lead. So let's put the screen flow for case details at the right side. So just click on edit page. So it is opening the builder. So we need to drag and drop this flow to add component here, and from here we need to select our screen flow. Also we have to make it active so it is visible here. So as the flow is not activated, so it is not coming up here. So let's make it active. So click on activate. Your flow was activated. So again coming back to our flow lightning page. Here we need to refresh this. So let's drag this flow in add component here, and from here we need to search for our flow. So screen flow case info, this flow we had created right now. So click save. Again come back to our lightning page. So here we are able to see screen flow case information. So let's create a case once more. So case subject network issue, not able to log in to Salesforce account. Case origin is like email. So if I'm clicking on next, so this case is getting created, and also it is saying that new case has been created with following details. So case subject is network issue and case origin is email. So click finish. It's done. So let's see the case is created or not. So here we need to click on cases. So right now we had created this case. So case number, then status and priority. Case origin we had taken email, and subject we had provided network issue, description not able to log into Salesforce account. So like this, by using the screen flow, we can create a case. Thanks for watching.